third is you'll find that there is a Padahastasana, okay, or some people say Padahastasana also. So where you have to bend forward. Needless to say that you should also know the contraindications of everything. Okay, generally Utthit Vivekasana doesn't have much contraindication except the person is probably at the third trimester of the pregnancy should not do that also. Okay, because definitely pregnancy has lot of limitations. Okay? And even wherever the backward bending is not advised, the Uttanasana should not be done. Now coming to the Padahastasana or Padahastasana or forward bending completely, you will find that again cervical people should not do this. You have cervical spondylosis. So in this case, it is said that you should actually concentrate on the Swadhisthana chakra, right? So now see, from the top notch, it has gone to a Swadhisthana chakra. The energy is flowing. So in between, it will initiate the whole body. In Padahastasana, your blood flow is oriented towards the Swadhisthana chakra. So again, in Swadhisthana chakra, so again lower portion of your belly button, from belly button to the gender, this portion is activated here, and that is again responsible for creativity, joy, the vitality or fertility, right? This portion is connected to a real pleasure of human body, or it's also related to allergies, correct? This particular portion, it is found that people who have a bigger fat deposition in this portion are also suffering from thyroid. You see, observe your people who are suffering from thyroid, they have this portion bigger. How? And that is where the sun salutation gives the answer. After the backward bending, it has an immediate forward bending, and actually person should have this habit of backward bending, immediately forward bending. That gives you the help.